Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super fun and trending way to turn any regular photo into a multi-comic style image. And the best part, it's completely free and so easy to do using CapCut's AI filter. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut app, and once you're in, just go straight to the templates tab at the bottom. This is where all the trendings affect live, so it's really easy to find what's hot right now. Next, just tap on search bar and search for AI filter characters, or you can directly search for trend multi-comic and then look for the templates that are labeled with AI. This ensures the magic happens automatically. And then, for example, I'm going to pick this one as an example. This one. Just tap on it like this. And then next, just tap on use AI templates. For free user, you will get 6 free access. So don't worry, you can still use this template or this AI filter for free without paying anything. Just tap on it and then just choose your photo. For example, like this, and then just tap on next. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. As you can see, CapCut AI will automatically generate your image in a colorful multi-comic styles like this. Looks cool. It looks cool, colorful, and maybe a little cute. Isn't this amazing, right? You can see your photo transform into a multiple comics panel with vibrant colors and dynamic comic vibes like this. Next, you can also experiment with the different photos once each one give a unique result. And okay, maybe that's it. A super easy and free way to turn any regular photo into a trendy multi-comic masterpiece using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.